What up, though, Yankee faces? Hey, I'm truly sorry that, you know, I felt like I was just, in the last video I uploaded, in the beginning, I felt like the soul was just, you know, just, I was finna say drunk out of me, but, you know, sucked out of me, you know. Anybody that love their car, like I do, know that, you know, when your car is down, you're down. And that night, I didn't even want to make a video. And until I got my car back, you know, back to form, I wasn't going to be happy. But yeah, that's crazy. You know, it's just how, you know, we shouldn't be attached to material things, but hey, that's life. And you know, a human can get attached to material things. Like, you know, I'm not the one to judge anyone, because that right there, I'm just connected to like this. And now this is turning out to be the same way. So yeah, I most likely will have both of my cars until I die, if I can help it, because I am never getting rid of my EF hatch, and that right there is till I die. So yeah, but I'm sorry, you know, if that video just felt just not me. You feel your boy, just not me. Your boy had to come back, you know. But we got the CP pistons forged in a hatchy. Next video, I'm gonna turn it over and get some oil pressure in it, because I haven't even turned it over yet. It's just like I rebuilt it, put oil in it. Still gotta put fluid, you know, the fluids. I mean, still gotta put coolant in it. I gotta go to AutoZone, because me, I only use distilled water and water wetter. That's all I use. Well, I ain't gonna lie, not distilled water, even though I should, but yeah, normal side of the house water and water wetter. Bam. No coolant whatsoever. I mean, no radiator fluid whatsoever. But that's not the video. The video today, we will be installing the, I don't want to butcher this, the Witchers lower front tie bar and the ATI damper. I'm not sure. I may have to go to AutoZone and buy a little torch to torch the side of the crank so I can heat it up, or use some liquid wrench, go on, you know, put it on there and then just crank it until it just slides on there, because this right here will slide anything. But yeah, I don't know. So we're gonna get this damper off under there, and hey, let's get to the install. Too big. Need something to stop the damn motor from spinning over. That ain't gonna fit. A big bolt should do. Let it do. Wait, is it? No, it's right the other way. What's up, Mom?
Hey, why you was up too? Why you ain't unplugged the snowman now? Or you just came out here?
I just came outside.
Shit is cold.
Yep, sure is. Let me find my extension so we can break this bad boy loose. All right, put this bad boy here. Oh, that's a little bit. That's a little bit too much. chop that down a little to about 2. There we go. There we go. Now put the pipe in. Alright, let's give it a go. Hopefully I don't break my adapter like I did last time, but we're about to see. I forgot I was doing this with the torque wrench last time, not with the small one. Super tripping. All right, let's go. A little bit. Last time I snapped my damn adapter. Yep. Fuck, bro. Shit. Fuck. Snap that motherfucker right in half. Shit. Damn. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Ah, fuck. Well, that didn't work. Shit. Terminated. Okay, so we got the damper off, and now with this ATI damper, we're going to boil it, but not the entire thing, just the part where the let's go. I'll show you guys. Come on. Just the part that goes on to the crank itself. That's it. I'm not gonna boil the entire thing. I should have went to Home Depot and got a torch and heated it up, but whatever. So I'm just gonna boil this motherfucker. Can't lose that bad boy. Oh, shit. Damn. Jesus, bro. Hey, Rico, you spilling shit, bro. My bad. We got this up here, getting some heat. Take this. Only that part, like that center part right there, if that coming up on camera, it's gonna get heated. So yeah, I'm gonna put that in there like that, and let that get some heat to it. All right, we got hit the crank a little bit with some liquid wrench. Got the Loctite on the bolt, and let's go see what's up with the damper. Hopefully it's got enough heat in it. let's go. Let's try it. Okay, so now you slid the damper on with heat. Put your nut in, tighten it up, and then you want to add Loctite to the, like I said, you want to add Loctite to the bolt. And then in my case, it will go 190 foot-pounds, but this only go to 150. So we're gonna max this out. And then once it's maxed out, let's go a little bit further. And that's it. Booyah. And that's that, boys. These right here, I took one of these out just to see if they, you know, because they say add Loctite to these right here. I took one out, already had Loctite thread locker on the butts, I mean on the screws already, so that was good. So now we just got to get a new belt. Kind of scratch my little BZ Moto sticker right there, but it's all to the gravy. Dampers on. Yeah, boys. So now it's time to install the front lower strut bar. Well, front lower tie bar, not strut bar. And okay, boys, damper is on. Looking mighty nice. Loving it. Already know this bastard is not gonna come off just by hand like the original one. So yeah, we will be needing to heat this bastard up to get it off. But hopefully we don't ever have to do that. Not till a while. This belt is much bigger than I thought. I had to adjust my alternator adjustment, maxed out all the way back just around this belt. But eventually I'm gonna get a smaller belt. And yeah, she's looking mighty good. Gonna drop her back down, and next video we will be starting her up. Kind of dirty, gotta wipe her down, but yeah, back to form, baby, back to form. Looking real better than ever. Better than ever, baby. Once again, shout out to Frank Garcia for the hardware. Loving it. Burton Racing. Nice. Still got the carbon plug harness right there. Yeah, ready to jump back on a dyno, baby, and make some power though. Make some power. Gotta set the rings and we good. Looking lovely, real lovely. Oh yeah, the lower tie bar was originally the red one that I bought for this car, but I was gonna put it on this car. It didn't clear the 2.5 piping, so it's going on the Rex. This car will not have no exhaust at all. I was gonna put 3-inch all the way back, but nah. I've been convinced by my boys. No exhaust for that car, and yeah, about to drop her down. I'm gonna do a little something else. Put this nut in, and I'm missing a nut, well, a washer. I'm missing a bolt, one of the bolts in the oil pan, and yeah, Loctite that in, and yeah, we good. About to drop it down, we straight, and that's about it, boys. Hope you guys love the build. And And next video, we should be starting this bad boy. If this your Bizoy, SI Rico, rate, comment, sub. And hey, it's an eBay build, but it's a name brand eBay build now. But like I always say, never waste your time. Hope you have a good one. I'm out. Peace.
No one ever said it'd be easy. No one ever said it won't take no time. No one ever seemed to believe me. No one ever thought that I could make those rhymes. And no one ever said it'd be easy.